Carefully start by putting together your Real Bidet's attachment as shown. Turn off your water supply at the mains and flush your toilet twice to ensure the tank is empty. Carefully remove your current toilet seat. Note: mechanisms can vary here. Refer to your toilet seat manufacturer manual for more information. Keep hold of all the components in a safe place, as we will need them later to put everything back together. Now carefully install your Real Bidet's bidet attachment, making sure it's centered on your toilet. Very important. Make sure the nozzles are free-moving and are not touching the toilet basin. You can test this by carefully pulling down the nozzle. They should automatically retract unimpeded. If they are not free-moving, then adjust the bidet position. Now reinstall the toilet seat. Connect the flexi plumbing hose to the bidet attachment, carefully tightening it to avoid any leaks. The other end should connect to your existing cold water pipes or your inlet to your basin. Use the supplied T-junction adapter appropriately. You should now be able to turn on your water supply once more, and then carefully check all connections for leaks. Test the bidet by adjusting the handle as shown. If you discover any leaks, close your water supply and carefully tighten the connections, using the Teflon tape as required. Your bidet is now ready for use. Congratulations! Please let all your friends and family know how they can revolutionize their toilet hygiene at realbidets.com. And reach out to the team if you need any help or support.